Hello, my name is Kenneth Wang, and today I'll be going over how to simplify factorial expressions. So let's see our first problem. This one is relatively simple. We have factorial of 5 over factorial of 4. So you could write it all out, which I'm going to do here just to show my work. So we're going to have 1 times 2 times 3 times 4 times 5 divided by 1 times 2 times 3 times 4. So now, we can multiply it all out and, divide, but who wants to do all that work? You can see here, we have 2 like terms on the bottom, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4. We can just cancel that out. So just cancel out the 1s, the 2s, the 3s, the 4s, and then you just left off a 5 on top. So our answer is just going to be 5. And, you could put this into your calculator and just solve it out without any of doing all this, but this is just in case you don't have a calculator. So now if we're applying this concept to this problem here, let's say we have a way bigger number that, you won't have enough time to multiply everything out and divide. The factorial of 121 divided by the factorial of 100. We can use this rule we just made. You see how we have factorial of 5 over factorial of 4. We just canceled the factorial of 4 from each side. So all we had left was the term that had, one more number in it. So we're doing the same thing here. We're applying the same concept. This is essentially equal to 100 and the factorial of 121 over the factorial of 121 times 121. You see here I have the factorial of 121 is the same as this. This is basically 1 times all the numbers to 120 times 121. It's the same thing, right? It's just a more simplified term. And now we have these 2 numbers on the top and bottom. We can just cancel them out again. And then we'll just have 121 left on the top, which is our answer. So that's how you can apply the rule. And just so you know, the number on the top doesn't always have to be just 1 above the number on the bottom in factorials. Let's say instead, where's my erasers? This was 7 factorial or 4 factorial. We can use the same thing. 7 factorial is the same as 4 factorial times 5 times 6 times 7 over 4 factorial. We can cancel out the 4 factorials, and our answer left on top is just 5 times 6 times 7. What you don't know is 210, yeah. So that's how you can use this rule.